Welcome to My Ty. I'm Jamie, I'm the captain.
Hi, I'm Ariel, I'm the first mate on board.
And welcome to My Ty. My Ty is a 2021 Fountaine Pajot Allegria 67. We take 10 passengers in 5 queen cabins. And let me show you around. So we have an up galley. So this is where your chef will be preparing your meals for your trip aboard. It also includes our ship's bar, coffee station, all the drinks, and a nice wine fridge, always well stocked. On the starboard side of the salon, we have our nav station and we have our sofa and settee. This is where guests can relax, get out of the sun for a little bit. This table does open up for indoor dining if there's preference, and we also have al fresco dining on the aft deck. Leading forward, we have a very handy forward access. This brings you to My Ty's beautiful foredeck. Great place to relax in the sun, have a cocktail in our onboard jacuzzi, and this entire area does cover up with a beautiful shade for those who want a bit of a cooler experience. All right. So, moving inside, you can follow me down to our guest cabins. As I mentioned, we have 5 queen cabins for our guests. All right. They are all en suite. All include a bathroom, shower, and head. Dry showers or individual showers. Moving forward, you might want to come in, Andrea, and go past.
Okay.
So this is a second version. All right. So this is our midship cabin.
And all cabins are double or queen?
Yes. So all cabins are queen size. One of my favorite parts of this boat is it's extremely large. It's very comfortable. There's loads of lounging space for a big group. We have the flybridge, we have the aft deck, we have the forward deck. So even with a big group of 10, everybody has a space to get some peace and quiet and relax. Nobody feels like they're on top of each other. And even with all that space and all that comfort, she sails extremely well. So we can hit over 10 knots. We average often at around 11, 11.5. So she's an extremely capable sailboat while still being very luxurious. Up on our spacious flybridge, you have another bar. It's a favorite spot for sunset cocktails. We have loads of shaded area, very comfortable lounging, whether you're underway or at anchor. And for those who want to spend some more time in the sun, we have sun lounges to the aft. Moving forward to the helm, all of our winches and lines are contained in one area. It's extremely easy to operate. It's safe for our guests. It's completely separate from the lounging area. So those who want to get involved can come forward. If you prefer to sit back, relax, and have a cocktail, none of this will affect your experience. Aboard My Ty, we're very water sports orientated. We have a young, active crew, so we love getting people out in the water enjoying themselves. We have 2 sea bobs. We have full sets of diving equipment, tanks, rigs, everything guests would need to go diving, or if they would like to learn or try, we can accommodate that. We have a very large swim platform. This turns into a great swim platform when we lower it down into the water. Guests can sit on it, enjoy cocktails. It also works as a diving deck. We have large floating mats we can put out in the water. We have 2 sea bobs. We have a wakeboard, skis, tubes, sub wings, pretty much anything you could think of. 2 paddle boards. We have a glass bottom kayak up on the foredeck so you can see the reef and the fish while you're kayaking. There's very little we don't have on My Ty. Well, guys, thank you for joining us for this tour of My Ty. I hope you enjoyed it. And we look forward to welcoming you guys aboard for a charter in the beautiful BVI.